It is very common that the target server that you're trying to hit in Apigee Proxy is protected by basic authentication. In such cases, it is required that we store the basic auth credentials within Apigee Edge. In this session, we will talk about the different ways you can store such sensitive information. We could achieve this by hardcoding the credentials in the proxy code, replace the values at build time using scripts, configuring them in Vault and accessing them via Node.js, and configuring them in encrypted key value maps. In the hardcoding method, by using the assign message policy, we can set the credentials in the request header. In this policy, the value is hardcoded and will need to be edited for different target servers or whenever the credentials change. In the build time replacement method, the policies can have some dummy values and the sensitive information can be kept separately in a config file which gets replaced during the build time. The configuration can be a simple JSON file where the values are configured along with the XPath where these values need to be replaced. Once the build script is executed and the XPath matches, the values are replaced with the values in the config file. Other option is to use vaults. In the first step, you will need to call the management API to create the vault. In the second step, you will create the entries within the vault that was created earlier using the management API. The vault entries can only be accessed via Node.js. We have the Apigee Access Node module that can be used for retrieval. The other approach is to store information in the key value maps. Since these are sensitive information, you should use the encrypted key value map. The values of the key value map can be accessed using the get operation within the KVM policy. Make sure you provide the appropriate scope map identifier, which is the name of the key value map that holds the entries. To retrieve the values from the encrypted key value map, assigned variables used within the policy should be prefixed with private. From the different options discussed, encrypted KVM is the recommended approach as it's secure, easily configurable, near real-time, and does not require any deployments. For more information on this topic, refer to the documentation in the video description, and if you have any questions, please post them on the community. Thank you.